Hello dear kids, this is Dr. Pranjali Kapoor from Unnit Academy. Let's start with today's topic, that is syllables. So what do you mean by syllables? Syllables क्या होते हैं? Right? Syllables are the word basically and they must have a vowel. So you can determine how many syllables a word has based on how many vowels are there in the word, right? So when we take any of the word, it should contain vowel sound. For example, snap. A is a vowel, S-N-A-P. And in basket, we again have A as a vowel sound, right? And E also as a vowel sound. So any of the word that has a vowel sound, that is a syllable. A syllable may have two vowels also. One vowel, two vowel, or more than two can also be there, right? So now let's start with the types of syllables. So कितने तरह के syllables होते हैं? How many syllables are there? There are 6 kinds of syllables. Number 1 is closed syllable. Second is open one. Third is silent E. Fourth is diphthong, right? Then R controlled. And then consonant LA. I'll explain you all these syllables individually. All the 6 kind of syllables are there, so that it will be easier for you to identify a syllable in any of the word, right? The vowel sound. Let's take an example of closed syllable. Ends with a consonant, short vowel sound. Like cat, A says a, at, right? Cat is a closed syllable. Then is dog. O, again O is a vowel sound, right? D-O-G, closed syllable. दोनों side इसके consonant है. D is a consonant, G is a consonant, right? And basically it ends with a consonant. Any word that ends with a consonant and has a vowel before that, a short vowel, right? So that is a closed syllable. Lid, I, and it ends with D. Next is open syllable. So open syllable ends with a vowel. The vowel has a long sound. Long sound कैसे होता है? Go, O, ठीक है? Long sound है ना? Next, fly, fly, I, right? I का sound आ रहा है. Y is not a vowel, but the sound is I, right? So again, it's a open syllable. Next, high, so ends with I, right? Good. Clear with this? Now coming down to another syllable, that is silent E. Last में हम क्या लगाते हैं? E silent हो जाता है कई words में, ठीक है? Ends with a silent E. E लगा होता है, but we don't speak the sound of it, ठीक है? It has a long vowel. One consonant in between the vowel and E is silent, like cute. So see, U is a vowel ending up with E, but E is silent. So it's a silent E syllable. Cake. So C-A, K-E. A is a vowel and ends with E. E is again silent, right? Next is home. O is a vowel and ends with E. So it's a silent E syllable. Next is diphthong. So two vowels is together that make one sound. ठीक है, दो वोवल एक साथ आते हैं, लॉन्ग हो चाहे शॉर्ट हो, लाइक ओ यू, ओ डब्ल्यू आउल में आता है ना, एंड ओ आई और ओ वाई. ठीक है, व्हेन दे ऑल कम टुगेदर इट्स अ डिफथोंग, मींस दो वोवल एक साथ आना. सेल. सो ए एंड आई both are vowel, so it's a diphthong. Snow, N-O W. ठीक है, तो S-N-O-W is snow. तो O-W we have seen O-U, O-W, O-I and O-Y. When it comes together, yeah, it's a diphthong. Then we have boat. B-O-A-T. O and A again are the vowel sound. Next is R-controlled syllables. One vowel followed by R. मतलब किसी भी vowel के साथ R लगना, चाहे A-R, E-R, E-I, I-R, U-R और O-R. Anything, ठीक है, that has R, any vowel that has R next to it, right? Like horn. Start, ठीक है, हॉर्न में ओ आर हमने साथ में किया, स्टार्ट में ए आर हमने साथ में किया, एंड देन बर्ड में आई आर बोथ आर टुगेदर, सो दे आर ऑल आर कंट्रोल्ड syllables. Next is consonant LE. Comes at the end of the word. Any word that ends with LE and has no vowel sound. The E at the end is silent. Like candle, LE. At the end, CANDLE. Turtle, TURTLE. LE at the end. Apple, right? They all have one vowel in between, but they ends with L and E, and where E is silent. Good. So how do you break them? Let's take one example. Children, CHIL, right? So I is a vowel and DREN mein E is a vowel, right? So there are two syllables in a word children. Next is banana. Banana has three syllables, BA, NA and NA, because there are three vowels. A is repeated 3 times, right? Then we have intelligent. In, tell, in, gent, right? So 4 syllables are there. I in, right? TEL, E is a syllable. Then again LI, I is a syllable. GENT, E is a syllable. Great. So I think you have understood the concept of syllables now, right? So if you have any queries related to syllable, any topic from grammar, please do write to me. And thank you so much for watching. Thank you. Take care. Bye-bye.